Westies. Today we are going to be learning how to solve an equation. The goal for solving equations is to isolate the variable. To do this, you use the inverse operation. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. For subtraction, it would be addition. For multiplication, it would be division. And for division, it would be multiplication. And you will need to always show your work. Many of you will be able to look at this problem. For example, x plus 9 equals 15. Yes, we understand you know that x is 6, but you need to show the process. Just like when we were doing order of operations, some of the more simple ones you could solve in your head. You will need to show the process. We will be grading the process and not just the final solution. You're going to rewrite your equation. We're going to draw a line in through our equation, and on either side is going to be your expression. First step, find the variable. It's on the left-hand side. We are going to see what is next to the variable. It is a positive 9. The opposite would be negative 9 subtracting 9. This is your inverse operation, 0 paired, which leaves you with 0, and you have isolated your x. Okay, now we put negative 9. We're subtracting 9 on the left-hand side. We also need to balance out to our right-hand side. 15 minus 9 is 6. You're going to check your solution. The value of x is 6. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Now if you will touch the gray rectangle, and then it will populate for you to be able to type in your answer. Okay, you're not going to be able to write it in. And I'm going to type in my answer is 6. So I type in 6. It will turn green. That means you have the correct answer. Subtraction. N minus 5 equals 16. Okay, we're going to make our equation. We're going to draw the line. Find our variable. It's on the left-hand side. You are subtracting 5. The inverse of that is adding. We're going to put it on both sides of the equation to balance it out. Negative 5 plus 5, 0 pairs out. N is equal to 21. I'm going to check my solution here. 21. 21 is the value of n. 21 minus 5 equals 16. (4y) equals negative 36. 4y equals negative 36. Draw your line. When you have a number next to a variable, that means to multiply. When in doubt, multiply out. The inverse of multiply is divide. We're going to divide a positive 4 on both sides of the equation. 4 divided by 4 gives you 1y. Negative 36 divided by 4 is 9, and a negative divided by a positive is a negative. I'm going to plug in negative 9. No spaces, just put the negative and 9. The value of y is negative 9. 4 times negative 9 is negative 36. X divided by 3 is equal to 15. The inverse of dividing is multiplying, so you're going to multiply both sides of your equation by 3. Now I'm going to put 3 over 1, because when you're multiplying, you do not multiply by a whole number. You can cross cancel out your 3's and you have one x remaining. You have isolated your variable. 15 times 3 is 45. The value of x, 45, divided by 3 is equal to 15. Okay. Now I am going to write these out, and you'll be able to double check these, but I want you to practice these on your own, okay? And then you can self-check by putting in the answer into the box to make sure it's correct, and then you'll be able to also self-check to make sure that you showed the process on all of these. But you'll be able to refer back to this to check your work, okay? Thank you. Bye.